Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Auth0 and Glide admin apps. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with Auth0 and Glide admin apps, you first need to log into your Auth0 account. Once logged in, navigate to the Applications section in the Auth0 dashboard. Click on the Create Application button to start a new application setup. Choose a name for your application and select Single-Page Web Applications as the application type. After creation, go to the Settings tab of your new application. In the Allowed Callback URLs field, add the URL for your Glide app. Next, add the Allowed Web Origins field for cross-origin requests. Now, scroll down and find the client ID and client secret. Copy these two values and keep them handy for later use. Open your Glide app and go to the Config settings. Locate the Authentication section within the App settings. Select Auth0 as your authentication provider. Paste the client ID you copied from Auth0 into the corresponding field. Next, do the same for the client secret. Enter your Auth0 domain in the domain field. Make sure to set the redirect URI to match your Glide app's callback URL. Save the changes to finalize the setup. To test the authentication, open your Glide app in a new browser window. Click the Login button to initiate the Auth0 authentication flow. You should be redirected to the Auth0 login page. Enter your credentials and log into your account. Upon successful login, you will be redirected back to your Glide app. You are now authenticated through Auth0 in your Glide admin app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.